I'm here in Panacea, Florida with Wesley of Expandacraft, and he's on a brand new canoe with a 16-foot outrigger kit for 2 sides. He's got a Bimini top on it and a sail. And right now, he's going to show you how he can take the sail and the Bimini top down in order to go under low bridges. And we've got a low bridge here. We could probably make it under a lower bridge, but this is what we have as far as tide and bridges to experiment with. And so right now he's taking the Bimini top down. He's already taken the sail down. And he's got a little 40-pound thrust electric motor on there. But he also has a stadium seat that's on the very back of the canoe, so that even though there's an outrigger kit on both sides, he can sit in the back and use a paddle to maneuver. So that's what he's going to do now to get over here and under the bridge. You have lots of options with Expandacraft. This happens to be a 16-foot outrigger kit for 2 sides with a canoe connector kit. It has a custom-built deck over made of wood, a Bimini top, an electric motor, a sail.
I just wanted to see if I could paddle it without, and this is good. I could paddle this boat.
He's actually
I have to remove the motor to get a good stroke on this side, but yeah.
He's actually going fairly quickly. The water's very still here.
I could go up under a much narrower bridge than this, or lower bridge.
Well, I mean, although you might scrape your head.
I can get down in the canoe.
There he goes. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and visit us at expandacraft.com.